Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close your Gmail account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead and first of all access your Google, or it can be your Gmail or anything where you can get access to your Google official. So we will go to our, let's say, drive to our Gmail, and once you have done so, we're gonna go ahead find this kind of interface in the Gmail section, right? So if you would like to delete our account, we're gonna go ahead, tap on our account icon on top, tap on this manage your Google account option, and we're gonna scroll, and then we'll find this kind of interface, right? So for us to delete our account, we're gonna go to this option called data and privacy, and we're gonna scroll down, and here in this section we can find so many options regarding our Google service deletion. So you can scroll down, tap on this, see this mode option section, including this delete your Google account option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now this will ask for your confirmation to verify that it is you. Go ahead, enter your password, tap on this next option, and then we'll select your particular account, tap on delete account, again reconfirm it, and that way you will simply be able to delete your Google account like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.